Pi? Explain something to me. Why did your sister Python go on a date with JavaScript?
Whoa, CSS. That's deep. But let me tell you something. Looks aren't everything. Sure, JS is flashy, but Python's smart, clean, zen-like. Let me show you what I mean. You might want to sit for this one. It's going to get syntactically smooth. CSS nods dramatically and leans back with a straw. Silent from now on. Variables and operators, Pi. Let's kick off with variables. In Python, variables are containers for storing data values. You don't need to declare their type explicitly. Python figures it out. Name equals pi, age equals 3. In this example, name is a string and age is an integer. Simple and readable. No semicolons, no keywords like var or let, just straight to the point. Now check out operators. They're the tools that let you perform operations on variables. X equals 10, y equals 3, print x plus y hash adds 13, print x%y, well modulus 1 returns the remainder, print x astars y, by exponentiation 1000, 10 raised to the power of 3. Whether you're doing math, comparisons, or logic, Python makes it clean and elegant. Input and print, Pi. Want to talk to your users? Easy peasy. The input function lets users type things into your program. Name equals input. What's your name? Print, hello, name. You ask, they answer. And print just sends it back to the screen. Now if you want style with power, use F strings. They're Python's fancy way of formatting strings. Print F, nice to meet you name. This way you can insert variables right inside your text without the clunky plus signs, strings and data types. Pi. Strings are sequences of characters, and Python gives you powerful tools to manipulate them. Text equals hello world, print text upper, hash add converts to all caps, print textured low world, hash add converts to lowercase. When it comes to data types, Python keeps things simple. X equals 42, do, hash add int, whole number. Y equals 3.14, hash add float, decimal. Z equals hello, hash add str, string of characters. Flag equals true, hash add bool, boolean value, true or false. These are the building blocks of your code. Python detects them automatically. No need to declare. 4 to 5. Functions, Pi. Here's my signature dish, functions. Think of functions like little machines. You give them input, they give you output. Def. Greet name, return. Welcome name. This defines a function called greet. It takes a parameter name and returns a welcome message.
Now here's something even more flexible than list dictionaries. These are key value pairs, like mini databases inside your program.
Didchim's name, Luna, age 21, major data science, name burn flowed, outputs Luna. With dictionaries, you can label your data. It's like giving variables context, no guessing, just clean reference. Repetition, say less. Python's loops help you automate the boring stuff. Or repeat something a set number of times with a range for I in range 3 for it, collaborated loop number I simple, readable and powerful, just like I like it. Let's talk decisions. Python's if statements let your code choose its own path. If age a grade 18, print, you're an adult, else, print, sorry, you're still a minor. Straightforward, no parentheses, no curly braces, just logic, clean and clear. Want a loop until something changes? Meet the while loop. Print Python will take care of the rest, but don't forget to update the condition or it'll loop forever like a CSS animation set to infinite. Now let's talk safety, error handling. Python doesn't crash, it catches errors like a pro. For termini error, oops, that's not a number. Your code stays strong even if the user tries something wild. That's error-proof elegance. Python's got a massive toolbox. You don't need to build everything yourself. Just import what you need. Mathprint.s Quart 16 or get random. Print random and run into 1 quant 10. Python has libraries for data, web, games, AI, you name it. It's like having a coding army behind you. Now, let's go pro, object-oriented programming. You can create your own data types with classes. Class, self, name, trying, print self, says woof. Classes let you bundle data and behavior into one reusable blueprint, perfect for organizing big projects. CSS, if you're still listening, this is what your sister fell for. Clarity, power, joy in simplicity. Python is like coffee with no sugar, smooth, pure, and it still keeps you awake. You don't need to memorize 1,000 rules. Python flows with you. It helps you build things fast and without the headache. So the next time you see Python on a date with JS, know it's not about the bling, it's about the balance.